Hey y'all, I promised y'all a chocolate lava cake video. We're going to use the stack cooker. This is the bottom piece of the stack cooker. The one in the catalog is blue, but mine is red. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to use the Power Chef. I'm going to add just my eggs for now. And how you do this is you just fix the cake to the directions on the back of the package. I just have a normal chocolate cake mix. And I'm just gonna whip my eggs up. Until they're super yellow inside. It almost looks like orange juice, but not chunky. Ooh. Okay. Add my water.
Your mom love.
And my oil. Okay. Now that I have my eggs and oil and water in here, I'm going to mix this up a little bit. Alright.
I think we're still getting it.
I know. Alright. Just pour it in. We're gonna give this a mix. It is a lot harder to pull because it's thick. Okay, I'm gonna look at it. Mix some more. Okay. Now we're going to take all these pieces out of here. And just dump it in. Scrape it. You can hear my son's commentary in the back. He wants some chocolate lava cake. And we are fixing a 8-minute chocolate lava cake in the microwave stack cooker using the microwave stack cooker and the Power Chef, which the Power Chef is what I'm using right now. Okay. Anytime you use the microwave, you're gonna cook for the full time on, this is gonna be cooked on full power, but if you were gonna cook like meat or something, you could do it on full power too. Okay, the frosting's gonna go right in the center of this cake. That is what's gonna give you the lava part when it's cooked. Okay. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So, I'm going to put this in the microwave. I'll actually show you. They say to put it on the top, actually, so it gets up higher. Okay. Now, I'm going to put it on for 8 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like in just a minute. Hey y'all, I just pulled the cake out of the microwave. As you can see, the inside looks a little bit gooey. That would be your lava. Okay, I'm gonna take it to the table. I have a round container right here. Round container. It just has a red seal. I am going to check, make sure it pulls away. Okay, what I'm going to do is when you get this out of the microwave, you want to let it sit for half the time it cooks. So cook for 8 minutes, so 4 minutes, let it cool, or let it finish cooking, because that's what it does when you let it sit. You want something with a lip or edge so that the lava can come out and it doesn't go everywhere. Alright, we'll see how this goes. I'm just going to let it sit there. It is very warm. Alright, y'all. It kind of made a little bit of a sound. And here is your chocolate lava cake done in 8 minutes in the microwave. We're going to cut it and have some.